bangs and some vac with
Hey yo, you don't know say a young trap, yes sir. Rastfally for life, always, no matter the weather, anytime. How about we tell him? Yo, stop talking with the gangster word. Yo, man chatting about the banging like that shit's good. Now they bragging about the bangers like that make them hood. Anyone can make it bang, so why you screaming gang? Are you a boss, are you a shooter or a side man? Damn, I don't think he ever seen 100 grand. 100 grand, man I put your body in a carry-on, so carry on. Man can sweep the room, cut the brooms long, said cool done. Them funny attitude will get you moved on, that's true done. I don't even know what niggas rapping about. Claiming that they trapping where the packs, so you just rapping now. Said he got a body, then his nigga got body, whoa. That's how you living, bro. The feds caught him with a strap, he never let it go. How you gon' die for your niggas? You ain't ready, bro. So all that gangster shit you talking, that ain't fit you though. Cause if my nigga get the call, then you gotta go. I ask the Lord to forgive me, cause I know I sin. I got a pistol, I don't wanna be a victim. I told her, auntie, we gon' make it. She said, change my life. Kids that took a God, no, I would've gave my life. Her niggas claiming that they real, but why they real for? Her niggas claiming that they streets, but why they streets for? And now you say your boss guns, now what that for? Cause if you're from where I'm from, that you die for. I don't be throwing up no signs if you ain't reppin'. Niggas ain't saying hi, waving right extended weapons. You can't hear it, read him, songs in probably heaven. Niggas ain't playing, what you ready for? Them niggas messin', so stay in school, learn your lesson, that might be a blessing. I wish I did, I told my kids I ain't even messing. My teacher said that I could make it only if I try. I said it ain't a money day that I would never climb. I never climb, huh? Yeah, like I said, it's young trap here, yeah. Yeah, I just wanna say, boy, you don't even have to listen to what I gotta say. You do what you wanna do, you get what I'm saying to you? But for those that take the time out to, I'm just gonna say, yeah, hey, it ain't about all that gang, yeah. If you're living that life, G, do it. You get what I'm saying to you? But there ain't something I'm gonna do personally to promote to my kids. You get what I'm saying to you? Just honest, like, look, everybody nowadays screaming gang life. Now son died, heard he got peppered before the sunrise. His mom cried, thought Sonny was just a good guy. The street said Sonny was on it, and that's no lie. Smart guy, when I got himself a 9 to 5, work a couple months and then he went and got the A5. New rims with all leather inside, got the screens in the rest, got the man them on the hide. Got a couple chains, give it to the man them that would ride. Mom said something fishy, sat him down but he lied. She looked him right in the eye, said, boy, you wanna die? Why you wanna break my heart? Why you wanna see me cry? He said, mom, shut the door, I can't take this tonight. Same time he got a text, what I go on, what's the flex? He said, soon come fam, what I told you about the text. Vex, and then he put some teats in the tech. Man put it on his brother, now we fine with the rest. Can't hug mums, cause mums he gon' search for the webs. He said love you, she said wait, but he just stepped. And baby mom's stressing, she was fucking with the apps. If it wasn't for the kids, he would've knocked off the tap. Niggas wanna get a fam, still told him niggas stop. Told that nigga, man, I never seen no love like that. It's crazy, ain't it? Said you don't see your own death, you only see your life. Like you don't see the sacrifice until somebody die. Like niggas claiming that they're rich but broke when they die. Said have you ever been a shooter? Look him in the eye and see his blood, sweat and tears in the street life. Younger got a shot, he got a body, can't sleep right. Waiting for the day, hear the people screaming freeze right, freeze right.